Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing Foundation Paper 1 here, the non-calculator paper. It says change 40 centimetres into millimetres. I know that 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres, so I need to multiply by 10. So 40 centimetres times by 10 is 400 millimetres. That should give us 1 mark. Then it says simplify E plus E plus E plus E. So simplifying is the same as collecting like terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 for E. Okay, then it says on the grid, reflect the shaded triangle in the mirror line. So the mirror line is here. So I know I need to have the shape out here. But let's use some counting to get this point here. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. I know I need to meet at that point. Preferably use a ruler here. That point there is 1 away there, 1 away there. And it's going to cut the second square maybe halfway. So I've roughly got it there. And again, if I had both hands free, I would use a ruler. But that should be enough to give me the 1 mark there. And it says a shaded triangle, so let's shade that in there as well. Okay, however you like, I've done it in purple. You can choose color of your choice or try and match that. Let's move on to question 4 here. It says write down the value of the 6 in the number 16007. And I said it that way so I don't give it away straight away. I know the place value of that is in the thousands. So, and it says the value. So it is 6,000 or 6,000. If they want it in words or numbers, you can see both of those should give the answer. Right, this is about ordering here. Well, sorry, ordering or understanding place value. Write these numbers in order of size. A half, 0.55 and 45%. And it's about knowing your fractions, your decimals, or your percentages. In equations, I prefer using fractions, but for this, I prefer using decimals. I find it the easiest one. But you choose whichever you prefer. A half is the same as 0.5. That's already in decimal. And 45%, remember that's 45 over 100. So I divide by 100. Get 0.45. I just find that one the easiest way of comparing those three. So that's the smallest, 0.45, then 0.5, then 0.55. But if they want it back in their form, I would write it 45% is the smallest, then a half, then a 0.55. And that way, I mean, it's only worth 1 mark. I've done quite a lot of work to show that, but it's just to explain how I know that this is correct. I've turned it into decimals. I've ordered that, and then I put it back to the form they were. Right, a pictogram. I love pictograms. Infographics are great. Nice way of showing data. But the important thing here is the key. Each of these represents 2 hours of sunshine. So before I even read the question, I know that's 2, 4, 6, and 8. That's 2 and 4. Okay, so this pictogram gives the information about the number of hours of sunshine on a Saturday and on a Sunday. Work out the number of hours of sunshine on Saturday. Well, there's 2 there, 4, 6, and 8. There's 4 times 2. So there's 8. I'll write it there. Again, only 1 mark. And I've done a bit more work than is worth for 1 mark. But it's just to fully explain how I could read all that. Okay, so that's really important to get the start of your exam off well, to make sure that you've got these 1 mark questions and you've banked quite a lot of marks early on. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marks. And if you secure on those, then you should feel confident facing the rest of the paper. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and good luck for your exams.